Greg McGann. I'm a Master Gardener from the Alachua County Extension Office, and this morning we're visiting a fellow Master Gardener, Mary Ann Harris, and we're going to go through the Florida Friendly Landscape Home Recognition Checklist. This is the instrument that we use to determine if a yard meets the Florida Friendly criteria. We look at, of course, the 9 principles: the right plant, the right place. We look at how people water and fertilize. We look at how they control pests. We look at to see if they use mulch, rain barrels, have plants or other means of attracting wildlife. And there are 2 levels. There's silver level and gold level recognition, and they're based on points that we will work through with Mary Ann as we walk around her yard this morning. So, why is the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program important? Well, for many reasons. Primarily, it saves water, it reduces fertilizer runoff, it manages pests in a integrated pest management way so that there's a minimal amount of pesticides and insecticides. And the result is really a beautiful yard that's interesting, colorful, diverse, and full of wildlife. So, if you would happen to be interested in having your yard assessed by Master Gardeners, here's the way you do that. Contact your local county extension office. A team of Master Gardeners will get back with you. We'll make an appointment to visit based on your needs for time and date. This service is free, and at the end of the service, if you qualify for a silver or gold, you'll get a beautiful landscape sign to put in your front yard. If there are issues, then we will offer our suggestions about how to remediate those. So I hope that more and more people will be interested in this process. Good morning. Greg McGann from the Alachua County Master Gardeners, and today we're out here to present Florida Friendly Landscape yard sign to the homeowner, Mary Ann Harris. We were out here about 2 or 3 weeks ago to do our original survey. Mary Ann took care of a couple issues. She had a little bit of invasive plants that had to be removed. So this is the sign that we present. It's a way of alerting your neighbors to the fact that you have developed a Florida Friendly landscape. We hope it engenders questions about what does that mean, how did you do that, and that sort of thing. One thing that you need to be aware of if you live in an HOA is that sometimes there are restrictions on having signs in your yard, so please check that out and make certain that it's not going to get you a violation.